Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Jacobs from LaLa Spa Anti-Aging and Wellness, and I am in my beautiful robe today because we're getting ready to do a treatment called THERMIva. And this is a topic, ladies, that a lot of times we don't want to talk about. But THERMIva is all about feminine health and wellness. And my biggest concern is when I go to CrossFit, which I do all the time, when I start to jump rope or I do box jumps, I might have just a little bit of urinary leakage, and that drives me absolutely insane. So one of the reasons why I brought Thermi in, and hopefully you saw my Thermi Smooth, because the Thermi Smooth is for the face, but one of the reasons I brought it in was because of THERMIva. Because what I want to have done is I don't want to have this leakage anymore. If anybody's had kids, they totally understand what I'm talking about. But the beauty of THERMIva is that it treats a lot of other things too. So it treats, what does it treat? The urinary incontinence, vaginal dryness, any kind of sexual dysfunction, and what's my fourth? Laxity. That is probably the most important thing, because you know how I'm always talking about collagen stimulation on the face? Hey, guess what? We lose collagen in every part of our body. And so what happens down in our vaginal region is that we're losing collagen there too. So what this is going to do is stimulate collagen, and it's going to tighten that area up. And as I said, if you've had kids, you know what I'm talking about, girls. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get the treatment started. I may video a little bit during it because I want you to see how comfortable it is. It really is comfortable. And then we'll definitely do a follow-up video so that you can, so I can tell you all about it and tell you, the ins and outs. But the biggest thing is that when you were doing the THERMIva treatment is that it's a 35, 40 minute treatment. So it's not long. It's not that big of a deal. It's non-surgical, so that's the most important thing. And we usually will recommend 3 treatments about a month apart. So that just gives you the lowdown of what I'm getting ready to do. And like I said, I'll be back in a little bit.